Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about in the unit process and chemical technology. The topic is the sulfuric acid in the previous lecture for introduction part and some properties જોઈએ હતા એની આપણે તો નાવ જોઈશું અત્યારે આપણે પ્રોડક્શન એન્ડ યુઝીસ ધેન મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પ્રોસેસ અને વિથ ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ ઓકે સમ કન્ટેન્ટ આપેલું છે ડેટા વાઇઝ એ બી જોઈશું આપણે ઓકે ધીસ ઇઝ ધ મેન્યુફેક્ચરિંગ પ્રોસેસ ફોર સલ્ફ્યુરિક એસિડ એન્ડ ધીસ ઇઝ અ ફ્લો ડાયાગ્રામ completely flow diagram જોઈશું આપણે with process. Okay, now let's start the production and uses. શાનું છે તો sulfuric acid. The first one, fertilizer manufacturing as shown in table 19.3 જોઈશું આપણે. First one, the major US markets for sulfuric acid જે મિલિયન મેટ્રિક ટનમાં આપેલા છે આપણને 100% H2SO4 જે પરસેન્ટેજ વાઇઝ યરમાં આપેલા છે 1979 and 1980. તો ફોસ્ફેટ ફર્ટિલાઇઝર 1979 in a 23.2. Okay, and the 1980 26. So all these as per given in your table, completely note down in your table in your notebook. Okay, now the discussion part, the greatest single use of sulfuric acid when superphosphate was a usual phosphate fertilizer, and the chamber process sulfuric acid plant and the superphosphate plant were built and operated at the same site. These were small plant located near farming areas. Okay, this is a simple point. These were small plant located near farming areas. જે તમે સ્મોલ પ્લાન્ટ પર બી લોકેટ કરી શકો. More concentrated fertilizer are now required in order to reduce the cost of transportation and also applications. ઓકે, અમુક જે ફર્ટિલાઇઝર્સના પ્લાન્ટમાં છે, આ જે સલ્ફ્યુરિક એસિડના પ્લાન્ટમાં છે તેમાં તમે કોસ્ટ બી ઓછો કરી શકો, રિડ્યુસ કરી શકો. Then plant for triple superphosphate are more capital intensive than ordinary superphosphate plants. And also they are built on a much large scale, and like previous superphosphate plant, they operate the same site and a contact plant, and also the production has the highest strength of H2SO4. Which one percentage? 93.2. Okay, which can be safely stored in the steel tanks. Also it is diluted as part of the phosphate producing facilities if lower strength is desired. Okay, this is a simple productions and uses chair. Next point, when chamber plant supplied acid જ્યારે એ સપ્લાયડ કરવાનું સ્ટાર્ટ કરશે, then several different grades were supplied, each with a particular uses. Okay, for a grades 52, 53 to 56, we were employed in a superphosphate manufacture, so the chamber plant could supply this acid without expensive concentration also. And battery acid is even more dilute. Which one? The 60-degree grade was used in manufacturing sulfate of ammonia, copper, aluminium, magnesium, zinc, iron, etc. Which one material are to be used? The battery acid is even more dilute for a 60 degrees Celsius in the manufacturing of sulfates of ammonia, copper, aluminium, magnesium, zinc, iron, etc. And organic acid such as citric acid, oxalic acid, acetic acid, and tartaric acid. Okay, and for the pickling iron and steel before galvanizing and tinning for which one? બેટરી એસિડ જે આપણે એમાં એલ્યુમિનિયમ, મેગ્નેશિયમ અને ઝિંક આયરનનું જે ડિસ્કસ કર્યું એ પ્રમાણે એને જે ઓર્ગેનિક એસિડ છે જેમાં સાઇટ્રિક એસિડ, ઓક્ઝેલિક એસિડ, એસિટિક એસિડ અને ટાર્ટેટિક એસિડ. And for pickling iron and steel before galvanizing and tilling, and also refining and producing heavy metals, for electroplating and preparing sugar, starch, syrup. Okay, this is the important point. Okay, strong sulfuric acid 93 to 99 percentage. It is utilized in the purification of petroleum product, preparation of titanium dioxide, alkylation of isobutane, manufacturing of many nitrogen chemical, synthesis of phenol, recovery of fatty acid in soap, manufacturing and manufacture of phosphoric acid in the triple super phosphate. Okay, read this completely part. ઓકે, થોડુંક રિવિઝન કરી લઈએ આપણે. આગળ સ્ટાર્ટિંગમાં જે આપણે ઇન્ટ્રોડક્શન પાર્ટ જોયેલું હતું, this one, sulfuric acid, જે difficult to believe that very active chemical such as sulfuric acid, and the same time upon of the most widely used and most important technical product. It is the agent for sulfate formation and for sulfonation, but more frequently it is used because it is a rather strong and cheaply priced inorganic acid. It enters into the many industries through infrequently appearing in the finished product, finished material. Okay. Some properties sulfuric acid, strong diabasic acid છે. It is also an oxidizing and dehydrating agent, particularly to wood organic compounds. Its dehydrating action is important in absorbing water formed as such as chemical conversions and nitrations, also sulfonation and esterifications. Okay, this assuming high yields. ઓકે, બાકી તો ડેટા વાઇઝ બધા ટોપિક્સ આપેલા છે કે આટલા કેજી છે, આટલા એચ2SO છે, આટલા પર્સન્ટેજ ઓલિયમ છે. એના બેઝિસ પર તમે સિમ્પલ ડિસ્કશન બી કરી શકો. Okay, production in uses. Okay, simply now it is utilized how many percentage? The 93 to 99 percentage strong sulfuric acid here. It is utilized in the purification of petroleum products, preparation of titanium dioxide, alkylation of isobutane, manufacture of many nitrogen chemicals, synthesis of phenol, recovery of fatty acid in soap manufacturing also, and manufacturing of phosphoric acid and triple superphosphate also. And the last point is oleum are needed for petroleum nitrocellulose, nitroglycerin. Okay, TNT, trinitrocellulose. Okay, and dye manufacturing as well as for fortifying wicker acid. There are many other uses for few chemicals productions and manufacturing without use of sulfuric acid. Okay, this is a simple discussion part. Now most important part is the manufacturing processes. This is the flow diagram. Typical flow chart for a sulfur burning single absorption contact sulfuric acid plant with an injection part for a dilution cooling between stages. Exit gas સ્ટોક્સ આપેલો છે. Okay, in the 19th centuries, no contact plant had been built in the United States. For a simple important for Europe because of this need for oleums and high strength of acid for sulfonation, particularly in the dye industries. Substantial number of contact plant were built in the period for 19 to 1925 using a platinum catalyst. In the middle 1920s, for vanadium catalyst can be used and have gradually completely replaced platinum. Okay, they have many improvements both of the equipment and catalyst. For typical flow chart, for some one figure the 4.3, 4.4 and 4.5 also this one. Some parts of the vary considerably depending the raw material used. Then sulfur burning plants are simplest and cheapest since special purification of burner gases to protect the catalyst is not required. It is single absorption configurations which was the normal produced until 1970. Okay, now this is a simple reaction. For a sulfur dioxide plus 1/2 O2 gives to sulfur dioxide SO3. Okay, which one? This contact of the process has been gradually modified to use double absorption and also called double catalyst, which increase yield and reduce take emissions of unconverted SO2. Recently, the US government regulations part have specified maximum allowable emissions for SO2 from acid plant also required that all new plants either the double absorption processes. Which one? 99.7, 90, 99.5% conversions. Okay, some compressible emissions level also. Note down this reaction. SO2 plus 1/2 O2 gives SO3. Okay, it is able to proceed further in the desired direction and a higher recovery of 99.7% can be achieved. The stage gas leaving in the final stage are cooled in the SO3 is absorbed in a final absorber tower. Okay, the heat of combustion of sulfur is utilized in a waste heat boiler or boilers and economizer to generate steam for melting and also sulfur and for power purposes. જેમાં 6 megapascals જે ગ્રેટર દેન સ્ટીમ માટે યુઝ કરવામાં આવે છે અને પ્રોડ્યુસ ધ પ્લાન્ટ માટે. મેન રિએક્શન્સ આપેલા છે 4. ફર્સ્ટ આગળ જોયું આપણે સલ્ફર પ્લસ ઓક્સિજન પ્લસ gives to sulfur dioxide. સેકન્ડ વન SO2 પ્લસ 1/2 O2 gives to SO3 જેમાં -298.3 કિલોજૂલ કેલરી યુઝ થશે. and the last one SO3 plus H2O gives the H2SO4. Note down these three reactions. Okay, the oxidation of sulfur dioxide in the converts of the contact plant is the example of the many industries applications, and the principle of physical chemistry is also SO3 and SO2 are exothermic reversible reaction, and equilibrium contact for this reaction calculate for partial pressure according to the law of actions may be expressed by this reaction. ઓકે તો નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં આપણે નેક્સ્ટ ટોપિક જોઈશું. This topic is completely over. Thank you so much.